Right now, somewhere in the world, an army is forming. Not of humans, not of soldiers, but of intelligent machines, autonomous drones, walking humanoid robots, self-learning swarms. They don't sleep, they don't question, and they follow no orders but code. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now. And while the world scrolls, argues, and consumes, a quiet arms race is underway, one that could reshape civilization as we know it. Big tech didn't start this race for war. They started with a dream. AGI, Artificial General Intelligence, a mind that could think, learn, solve, and replace. $100 trillion. That's the estimated value of what could be automated. Entire industries, entire workforces. And when you combine that economic incentive with global tension, you don't just get innovation, you get acceleration. Governments saw the same dream, but through a different lens. Control, power, supremacy. AGI isn't just the next frontier of computing, it's the next weapon of war. Across the South China Sea, a formation of high-altitude drones moves silently, not controlled by pilots, controlled by algorithms. China is investing heavily in swarms of autonomous drones, recon units, kamikaze bots, aircraft killers. The strategy is simple. Don't build one perfect robot, build thousands of cheap, smart ones. Meanwhile, the US launches Replicator, an initiative to mass deploy AI-enhanced drones across multiple theaters. Private companies like Anduril are integrating language models into targeting systems. The line between tech startup and defense contractor is vanishing, and the battlefield is changing. Not all AI warriors fly. Humanoid robots are becoming faster, stronger, more agile. They balance, they climb, they flip, they adapt. China's Unitree G1, Tesla's Optimus, Boston Dynamics Atlas, and soon, they won't just be performing in labs. They'll be on factory floors, military bases, disaster zones. Robots will build robots. Factories will run themselves. Autonomy will become exponential. Simulation engines like Nvidia's Isaac Sim train these robots virtually, allowing faster iteration, cheaper scaling, and near-limitless evolution. The same AI that powers battlefield drones is also planting trees. China's Great Green Wall uses aerial AI to count billions of trees and reseed forests. AI is being used for climate, for health, for caregiving. But this duality is dangerous. The same system that delivers medicine can deliver a bomb. What determines the outcome isn't the tech, it's who controls it. And as more governments impose sanctions and build blacklists, others find new ways to smuggle chips, build labs, and train models. AI is borderless, but power isn't. Military planners call it intelligence-sized warfare. A war fought not with battalions, but with bytes. Imagine drone swarms coordinated by a central AI, outmaneuvering human operators. Imagine robot soldiers that learn faster after every battle. Imagine weapons that design themselves. We're not there yet, but we're closer than we think. And the real danger? It's not just that AI might escape our control. It's that we might give up control, willingly, in exchange for safety, speed, power. We stand at a turning point, a world driven by intelligence beyond our own, crafted not by nature, but by code. Will these machines be our greatest ally, or the final evolution of warfare? The answer isn't written yet, but the clock is ticking. Subscribe to LuxNova AI and stay ahead of the next wave, because this is only the beginning.